Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. And now, I will read you. Look at this. Is it only me and I post it, but you like it? Hello! Father, where is the rain in the water of here? If we have a water and we place it in the sun, will be gone, and the water get no, not water. Sun get the water. You say, wow, it's magic, but it's not magic. But no, it's not on the water of our machine. She is in of the clouds. No, sun will absorb the water and everyone get out and get inside in the clouds. Now, bye bye. You want it? My video is cool. Bye. Pause.